Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to install Ubuntu on your Windows PC using VMware Workstation Player. And I already did a video about installing macOS ICR on your Windows PC using VirtualBox, but in this video I'll be using VMware because I kinda prefer VMware over VirtualBox because of the tools and the stability VMware has. So now open VMware and then this is how it looks. Create a new virtual machine. Now select the image file of the Ubuntu software you need. I will leave a link in the description to download that. And after selecting it, give next. Now here give a name for your Ubuntu virtual machine, a username, a password, and do not forget these as these will be required to log into your system. After doing that, give a name for your virtual machine. I'm gonna give it as Ubuntu. And a disk size, which is 30 GB. Give next, and now this is the important part. You customize hardware and you should need to change these values. 1 GB is not going to cut it, so I'm going to give 4 GB, which is half of my memory. Do not give more than half because memory swapping will take place. And finally the processors, I'm going to give 2 because I have 4 and it's good to give 2. And Intel has the technology called virtualization technology. It just improves the performance, so just enable that. Then give next, then give finish. Now your virtual machine is created and it is getting started. And guys, this is a really big process. It may take a long duration for it to just boot into Ubuntu's installation software. From there, Ubuntu takes its own time to install the software. So I'll skip this part on, and here we go. We have the Ubuntu logo. And as I mentioned before, this will take a lot of time. I'm just going to skip the long part and I'll go to the end. And there you go, you can see the loading icon on the bottom right. Now as it has booted in, and this is a very big process than what you just came through. This will take a lot of time, so just be calm, grab some popcorn and watch some movies. This will take some time, guys. And I will catch you, and I'll skip this part and I'll catch you after the installation is done. So here we go, guys, the installation is done, and I'm going to log into my Ubuntu PC. Get the password which you gave at the start when you are setting up the virtual machine, and just after some time, here we go. Welcome to Ubuntu 18.04, and all the settings are intact. You can change the background, all the default wallpapers that comes with Ubuntu are here. This is a perfect Ubuntu running on your Windows PC using VMware. And that's a problem, guys. When you max out the VMware's size, it does not maximize the resolution of the Ubuntu system running inside. That's a problem, and I have a separate video to fix that. Stay subscribed for that video. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and share this video with the friends or those who might find this useful, those who want to run Ubuntu, because Ubuntu is kind of best for developers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll meet you in my next one. Peace.